Have you ever handed your Google Pixel to someone and worried they might open your private apps? Here's how to use the Google Pixel App Lock feature to protect your apps and personal data from others. How to lock apps on Google Pixel without third-party apps. Long press any app from the home screen or app drawer and tap on App Lock. If you can't see App Lock option, make sure your Pixel device running Android 17 QPR2 Beta 3 to get this amazing App Lock feature. Tap on App Lock to lock that specific app to any Google Pixel phone. Tap on Add App Lock button on the screen. What happened with App Lock active? When activate the App Lock on Pixel phone, notification will be hidden. Widgets and shortcuts will be removed of that app. AI agents and services that you've allowed to access will still be able to access its data. Verify with Screen Lock to lock that app. Now, try to open that app and you need to unlock it with your password or fingerprint. Lock multiple apps at once using Google Pixel App Lock Settings. Go to Settings. Tap on Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap App Lock in the Privacy section. Tap See All Apps. Here, you can see all locked or unlocked apps list. Toggle on the App button to lock app on your Pixel phone. How to unlock app on Google Pixel. To unlock the app, long press the locked app and tap Remove App Lock or Toggle Off App button using Google Pixel App Lock settings. Verify with your screen lock to unlock the app. App Lock Removed message appear on the screen. Has your Pixel device received this amazing new App Lock feature? Tell us in the comments below.